Welcome to my channel Literature with Ritu. Today we are going to discuss about Indian English literature. Let's start with a quote. The only person who see the whole picture are the one who step out of the frame. Indian English literature refers to Indian writing in English is a body of work by writers in India who writes in the English literature and whose native or co-native language could be one of the numerous language of India, frequently refers to as Indo-Anglian literature. Let's discuss about the pioneers of Indian English literature. They are R.K. Narayanan, Raja Rao. R.K. Narayanan, 1906 to 2001. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayanaswamy. He is also referred to. His notable awards are Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Satya Academic Fellowship, Benson Medal from the Society of Literature. India's second and third highest civilization award, and in 1994 the Satya Academy Fellowship, the highest honor of India's National Academy of Letters and the upper house of India's Parliament. His occupation is writing. He is known for his creation of fictionality and versatility. His works. His first novel, Swami and Friends. It is the first of a trilogy of novel. The first book of Narayanan wrote is set in British India in a fiction town called Malgudi. The second and third books are in the trilogy are The Bachelor of Arts and The English Teacher. Theme of these novels are Theme of Swami and Friends is disobedience, conflict, control, authority, power, rebellion, and independence. And the Bachelor of Arts theme is he lives a quite a stereotypical life with a loving family and trusting friends. Protagonist of the story is Chandra. The theme of the English teacher is the theme of true education and creation and passion indulged in that such education explanation. If one must focus on the main theme, then that would be the hinted from the name of the novel. Protagonist of this novel is Krishna. He dedicated this to his wife who is dead because of tuberculosis. R.K. Narayanan's masterpiece is The Financial Expert. Tells the story of the rise and falling of Margaya. Theme is lust of money. Margaya means one who shows the way, who sits under the banyan tree, advising people in helping money, borrowing at small interest from the bank. But Margaya is no monster of greed and wickedness. In his depiction of Margaya, Narayanan humanizes his and shows that depict of his lust for money. He is still a human being. In about 4 months, Margaya crushed suggested that Balu take up the old and graved tin box and set up office under the banyan tree while he plays at home with his grandson. Okay, next we are going to see about next pioneer of Indian English literature, that is Raja Rao. His period is between 1908 to 2006. He is the first Indian philosopher in Indian English writing. He is a novelist and short story writer. He was an Indian writer of English language, novel and short stories, whose works are deeply rooted in metaphysical during the middle decades of the 20th century. Rao wrote a few of his early short stories in Canada while studying in France. He also wrote in France and English. His short stories of the 1930s were collected in The Cows of the Barricades and other short stories in 1947. His works are Kantapura 1938, The Serpent and the Crow 1960s, The Cat and the Shakespeare 1965. His first novel Kantapura 1938 is in a largely realistic vein. It describes a village and its residents in southern India. Through its narrator, one of the village's older women, the novel explores the effect of India's independent movement. According to Raja Rao, greatest achievement is the perfection of the metaphysical novel. Next, the second novel is an autobiographical account of the narrator, a young intellectual Brahma and his wife seeking spiritual truth in India, France, and England. The novel takes Rao first marriage and its disintegrates and as its subject more broadly. It investigates the interactions of Eastern and Western culture tradition, a subject reinforced by the novel styles. Critics to be his masterpiece. Rao's allegoric novel, The Cat and Shakespeare, a tale of Indians set in India. Countless the theme explained in The Serpent and the Robe and shows Rao work becoming increasing abstracts. His awards are Neustadt International Prize for Literature at 1988, Padma Bhushan in 1969, Padma Vibhushan in 2007. A small conclusion. The truthness and honesty of writers writing in English is often made a theme of suspect in their own country and in other English speaking country. They are indeed addressed as a marginal to the mainstream of English literature. Indian English literature writers sometimes incriminate for asking to their national or religious language, and penning is an Western alien language. They decided to the nation is considered in much suspicious and rather unfortunate sensibility for such intelligent and cultural wonders. During the 1980s and 1990s, India had emerged as a major literary notion. And thank you.